Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to go over numbering system conversion. First, I want to convert 8-bit binary number to its decimal equivalent. Let's say that the binary number that I have is 10101011. So that's the 8-bit number that I have. In order to convert it, I write it in that formula. Right there. The calculator gives me the value, 171. But let me show you how to calculate it. So after you write it down, you say that 1 multiplied by 128, 1 by 128 equals 128. 0 multiplied by 64 is 0. I'm going to ignore it. 1 multiplied by 32 is 32. 1 by 32 equals 32. Okay? 0 multiplied by 16 is 0. I'm going to ignore it. 1 multiplied by 8 is 8. 1 multiplied by 8 equals 8. 0 multiplied by 4, I ignore that. 1 multiplied by 2 equals 2. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. 1 by 1 equals 1. Then I have to add all these numbers together, okay, to come up with 171. 128 plus 32 is 160, plus 8 is 168, plus 2 is 170, plus 1 is 171. That's how you convert this 8-bit binary number to its decimal equivalent. Let me clear my chart. Now, let's say that I want to convert a number, a decimal number, within the range of 0 to 255 to its 8-bit decimal binary equivalent. So a number within the range of 0 to 255, a decimal number, to its 8-bit binary equivalent. Let's pick 179 or 189, okay? And we want to know what is the 8-bit binary that represent decimal 189. The first thing that I will do is I'll compare 189 with 128. 189 is greater than 128. Therefore, I place a 1 under 128. As soon as I do that, I have to deduct 128 or decimal value of this bit from the original number that I was working with. So 189 minus 128 equals equals 51, right? Let me double check to make sure. 1, 2, it's 61, I'm sorry. 61, okay? Now I have 61 to work with. 61 is less than 64. I put a 0 under 64. 61 is greater than 32. I place a 1 under 32. Then I have to deduct 32 from 61. 61 minus 32 equals 29. We double check. 11. Okay. Now I have to work with 29 from now on. 29 is greater than 16. I put a 1 under 16. As soon as I put a 1 under 16, I have to deduct 16 from 29. 29 minus 16 equals 13. Then I'll be working with 13. 13 is greater than 8. I place a 1 under 8 and deduct 8 from 13. Minus 8 equals 5. Then I'll be working with 5 from now on. 5 is greater than 4. Therefore, I place a 1 under 4 and deduct 4 from 5. And I have a number, and that number is 1. 1 is less than 2. I place a 0 under 2. 1 equals 1. I place a 1 over there. And 1 minus 1 equals 0. I don't have any more number to work with. So 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 is the binary, 8-bit binary of 189. Let me clear my chart. Now, to work with the hexadecimal numbers, we have to use this chart. In order to convert from decimal to hexadecimal, we first go through 4-bit binary representation. In order to go from hexadecimal to binary, we also use this one. Let's say that I have this hexadecimal number, A1. Why is it hexadecimal? Because I see letter A in it. It's a combination of letter A through F, O, and 0 through 1. This hexadecimal number is made of 2 digits. One is A, and the other one is 1. I go to my chart, I find A, I find the 4-bit binary representative of A, which is 1010. I go to my chart and look for hexadecimal 1 and find the 4-bit representation of it in binary. And I'm going to just go ahead and write that in here. Therefore, I have 8-bit binary number, which I can put over there. 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is the 8-bit binary representation of A1, and 161 is the decimal equivalent of it. How did I come up with that decimal equivalent? 128 plus 32 is 160 plus 1, which is 160. This is how you convert from one to the other, as far as hexadecimal is concerned. Now, to convert a decimal number to hexadecimal, let's say 67, all you have to do is find the 8-bit representation of 67. 67 is 64 plus 3, right? Rest of it is zeros. Then I have 8-bit. 0, 1, 0, 0, the high 4-bit, the most significant 4-bit. 0, 0, 1, 0 is the lowest for significant bits, least significant bits. Now, go ahead and look for 0, 0, 1, 1 in my chart. That's 3. Okay. And I look for 0, 1, 0, 0. That's 4 in hexadecimal. Therefore, 67 in decimal is equal to 43 in hexadecimal. I hope this video helps you out to convert between these numbering systems. Thank you.